What's going on, Vero Beach? It's Laura Zink from the Reynolds Team at Compass. Are you considering buying a home this year? Be sure to stay tuned to learn more. As the weather begins to cool, the real estate market remains red hot. Here's a dive into some of the biggest wins for home buyers this fall. First on our list, more homes are coming to the market, finally. Earlier this year, the number of homes available for sale fell at an all-time low. However, in recent months, housing supply is trending up. For new buyers, that means more options. Chief Economics says it looks like existing inventory is starting to inch up, which is good news for a housing market parched for more supply. 2. Buying is more affordable than renting. According to data from Realtor.com, prices reached their highest point ever recorded. Let's compare today's median mortgage payment to median rent. According to National Association of Realtors, the latest data on home closed shows median monthly mortgage payments of $1,255. In contrast, the national average rent was a little over $1,600. That's a difference of $352 each month. If you're a renter, it may be time to consider purchasing a home that you can keep your housing expenses locked in to avoid future increased rent premiums. Mortgage rates are still low. Last year, we saw the lowest mortgage rates in recorded history as they fell below 3% for the first time ever. This season, they're still incredibly low compared to historic norm. According to the latest quarterly forecast from Freddie Mac, while we forecast rates to increase gradually later in the year, we don't expect to see a rapid increase at the end of the year. We forecast a 30-year rates to be around 3.4, rising to 3.8 in the fourth quarter of 2022. Today's low mortgage rates help boost your purchasing power, but it's unlikely they'll last much longer. Buying sooner rather than later is the best way to get more house for your money. Home prices are appreciating. Let's look at a graph for expected rates from home pricing appreciation through 2025. Based on a survey of 100 economists, investment strategists, and housing market analysis. Investopedia defines appreciation like this. Appreciation, in general terms, is an increase in the value of an asset over time. Over the past year, we've seen home prices rise across the country, and according to expert forecasts, that appreciation will continue through 2025. This should help you feel confident that buying a home this year is a strong long-term investment. If you're worried about what that means for affordability today, remember that current mortgage rates help boost your purchasing power and keep your monthly payments more affordable. Here's the bottom line. Let's connect if you're ready to buy so we can get your journey to homeownership started and you can capitalize on today's unique market opportunities. I look forward to hearing from you.